guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be going over one of the biggest questions that I get, and that is, how do I do affiliate marketing without showing my face? Now, there are many reasons why someone might not want to show their face, whether it's a lack of confidence, whether it's you're worried about someone seeing you online, or maybe your job just doesn't allow you to actually show your face and you're trying to do affiliate marketing on the side at your 9 to 5. Whatever your reason might be, I get it. Personally, I think that you should do affiliate marketing by showing your face. It builds up credibility with your audience, and it shows people that you're a real human being online. Regardless of your reason, let's dive into it and let's learn how to do affiliate marketing without putting your face out there. Alright, so the first and one of the more common ways to do affiliate marketing without showing your face is actually on YouTube. So many YouTubers will actually put their face out there on YouTube because they are growing their personal brand, like me. You know, I talk about specific topics in my video and then I refer people to the description below where I do have affiliate links. You know, some of these are links to courses, to the software that I use, to the camera gear, whatever it may be. However, this does not mean that you have to do it the exact same way. There are hundreds of YouTubers out there that generate a lot of money in affiliate income without showing their face on the platform. So a great example of this is a channel called Household Hacker. And what they do is they basically do reviews from as seen on TV products, and in their description below they have a ton of affiliate links here. So if you click this one, this is an affiliate link to a product that they have on Amazon. So if one of the 11 million people that came across this video clicked on one of these links, went to Amazon and decided that they wanted to buy this, then whoever's in charge of this Household Hacker account just made an affiliate commission. And you can imagine how with this much traction on this video, how many sales they could potentially be making. Now, to do this type of affiliate marketing on YouTube, all you really need is a camera and the respective supplies. It's pretty simple to do, and as you can see on this one channel, there were 11 million views. Now keep in mind, not everyone who watches the video is going to click in the description below and buy the affiliate products, but there is a good chunk of people who will do that. Alright, so the next way you can make money as an affiliate without showing your face is actually on TikTok. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Olivia, you show your face on TikTok and everyone else does. There's no way you can do it. I'm telling you right now, there is a method to this madness. Just stick with me. So personally, if you followed me on TikTok, you know I do not do this. But this method is actually very, very similar to the YouTube strategy. All you have to do is take a video of the product, talk about its importance, give it a review, then direct people to the link in your bio. So for instance, this guy does it with keto and different keto recipes. So for instance, he talks about the recipe, he shows you guys how to make it, blah, 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 blah. And then at the end of the video, he basically just says, click the link in my bio and look where it leads. Now, this doesn't just have to be done with keto diets, it can be done with beauty products or Amazon finds. There are also accounts like this at Woodworking Fun, and this guy, he literally never shows his face. He just takes videos of different woodworking projects and then he directs people to the link in his bio, and it leads to an affiliate offer right here. So anytime someone decides that they want to purchase this woodworking collection and they buy it through this respective affiliate link, this guy who runs this channel is making the money. And he has a decent amount of followers. He has like 50,000 followers, which is pretty good. Alright, so another way to do affiliate marketing without showing your face is actually one that has stood the test of time, and that is blogging. This is another method that I personally use to earn affiliate commissions, and it's very, very simple to set up and very easy to do. Now, anyone that comes to my page, they automatically know it's me because I have my profile right here, and every article that I write has my name tagged to it. But you do not have to do it this way. If you want to remain anonymous as a blogger, you can totally do that, and it's very, very simple to do. Personally, my favorite part about blogging is that it's so simple to set up and it is your site, so there are no rules that you really have to follow. Once you upload a post, that asset is online forever and it is yours. Also, if you don't feel comfortable writing, then you can use websites like Hire Writers or even Fiverr, and you can hire out someone to write blog posts for me. That is actually what I do on Fiverr. I write blog posts for other people who do not feel comfortable doing it themselves. So for instance, let's look at this blog post right here. So if we scroll down, in this blog post, I talk about the best business books entrepreneurs need to read in 2021. Now, I talk about each book, I talk about why I like it, how it will bring value to your life, and then if you scroll down right here, it says click here for Crushing It, which is the book that I talk about. If you click that link, it will take you to my Amazon affiliate link for the book Crushing It by Gary Vee. Now, anytime someone decides that they want to purchase this book after reading my blog post, I make a commission. Let's look at another example. So if we scroll down here, let's look at this blog post, how I grew to 300,000 TikTok followers in 4 months. Now, if you're just scrolling through this, it doesn't look like there are any affiliate links in here, but there are some hidden. So right here, it says, check out my TikTok cheat sheet here. So if you click this link, it will take you to this PDF that I made about, it's basically my cheat sheet on how I grew to over 300,000 followers on TikTok. If you want it, I'll leave the link in the description. It's also on my website. But if you go into the cheat sheet, if you scroll all the way down, this is where I kind of hide my affiliate link right here. It leads to a TikTok course. Also, if you scroll down even further to the bottom of the blog post, I do have a link right here that also leads to the same course. So I'm kind of doing a double whammy with trying to get my affiliate link in there. But yeah, that's how you do it with blog posts. Blog posts are probably one of the easiest ways to do it. Just make sure that your blogs are niche based. So for instance, all my blog posts talk about how to grow your business and how to do it through certain digital marketing tactics. All right, the next way that you can make money as an affiliate without showing your face is on Pinterest. So this is my Pinterest account right here. As you can see right here, I have 26,000 monthly views, which is pretty good for only having 29 followers. Now, my strategy is a little bit different and I'm still trying to figure it out a little bit because Pinterest is a search engine and there's SEO and all sorts of stuff that goes into that. But basically what I do is I repurpose all of my content and I put it right on Pinterest. So if you scroll down, you can see my TikTok videos are here, some of my Instagram reels, and then down here are the other pins that I have created or the Pinterest manager that I had created. Now, there's so many ways that you can monetize with Pinterest, and I will probably make a completely separate YouTube video explaining how to do that. But for right now, what you want to be doing is making pins that either direct people to those blog posts you made or specific products. So for instance, if you click this right here, this is a pin that I made that leads right to my blog post. Oh wow, look at that. This is the blog post we looked at earlier. And what's in this blog post? Affiliate links. Another thing you can do is this. So this pin right here actually gets people to sign up on my email list. So in exchange for their email, I will give them a PDF on the top 10 most lucrative freelancing services. Now, doing something like this is key because you are collecting emails, which means that you have the ability to follow up with these people with additional affiliate offers. So if somebody clicked this link and put in their email address, most likely they are looking for something about freelancing. So I will follow up with them on my email list with freelancing related affiliate products. Now, another thing that you can do is directly link a pin to a specific affiliate offer or a landing page. So for instance, if people were to click one of these pins right here, where it talks about the 15-day business builder challenge or this copywriting course that I promote, it'll take them right to the affiliate offer. Now, actually creating the pins is super easy. All you have to do is go on Canva and you can make them on there. Just make sure that your Pinterest account is a business account. That way, if you want to run ads in the future, you can do that and you can keep track of your analytics. So, struggles with Olivia. I thought I was recording on that last scene, but apparently not. So this is take 2. Now, as I was saying before, but actually didn't get recorded, the final way to do affiliate marketing without showing your face is actually through a sales funnel. This is one of the most common ways and the most profitable ways to run your affiliate marketing business. It was by far the hardest part for me when getting started with affiliate marketing. For me, it just did not click. I didn't understand how to do it properly. I did not understand why I was doing it, and it led to a lot of problems down the road. So if you're in the same boat as me and you're struggling with sales funnels, I highly recommend reading this book right here. It's called .com Secrets by Russell Brunson. And this book was a lifesaver, as well as the One Funnel Away challenge. So if you're struggling with sales funnels, you need a little bit of extra help, check out the description below and I will leave a link to that book. .com Secrets is probably one of my top 5 books out there because it is just filled with an abundance of information about sales funnels and how to actually create one. So there are many different tools and softwares that you can use to build a sales funnel. ClickFunnels is the most popular software among affiliates. I use a similar one. It is called BUILDERALL. Personally, I use BuilderAll over ClickFunnels because when I first started out, I was not about to pay $100 for a software and I had no clue what was going to happen. I didn't know if things were going to work out the way I wanted it to. So I went with BuilderAll. It's $69.90 per month rather than ClickFunnels, which is $99 or $97 a month. I also love BuilderAll over ClickFunnels because it has so many more features. So there's a website builder, it has its own email autoresponder built in, which is clutch. Also, I can host my WordPress website on here, and there's so many different applications of what you can do with BuilderAll. I will make a separate YouTube video on this. I will also make a separate blog post on how to use BuilderAll. Now let's take a look at an example sales funnel that I have already created. So this one right here is for the 15-day challenge, which I am an affiliate for, as many of you know. And what's key about this specific sales funnel is this sentence up here, as well as this button right here. This button collects emails. And as we talked about earlier, emails are key to your affiliate marketing business. So once people enter in their email here, it will take them to this next page. This next page is the thank you page. On this page, you will have a description about what the product is. You will have some testimonials and some reviews as well. Now keep in mind, landing pages are only believable if there are customer reviews on them. Some companies will allow you to put testimonials from their website for marketing purposes. I know Legendary Marketer does, hence why I have testimonial videos as well as screenshots. So once people go through the thank you page, they click this button right here and it will take them to the product page. Now, since I already purchased the 15-day challenge, it will not let me take it again, hence why this message pops up. So if you have that same problem, that is the reason why. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer who is struggling to drive traffic to sales, make sure you check out the description below because I made a blog post recently about the best free traffic sources that you can use for affiliate marketing in 2021. All right, you guys, overall, it is 100% possible to do affiliate marketing without showing your face. Just keep these 4 things in mind when you are trying to convert traffic to sales. The first one is instructions. You need to be providing clear, concise, and detailed instructions about the product you are promoting. Regardless of the platform, you need to make sure that the viewers understand what the product is and why they need it in their life. Number 2 is comparison. So try comparing different products together to help make your audience make a better decision. Number 3 is to use imagery. Do not overlook the power of images. I use images in every aspect of my business. This is why I love TikTok and YouTube so much, because I can use as much imagery as I want. When you're actually showing people videos or pictures of the product or service, it piques their attention. Number 4 is to provide value. Now this is the most important thing to consider. What did your viewer gain from your content? Did they learn something new? You never just want to focus on selling because people see through the BS. Just concentrate on what you can do for the customer and how that specific product and service will provide value to their life. Overall, you guys, just make sure that your content provides a clear message. When it comes down to it, you really don't need to put your face out there unless you're trying to build a personal brand. You just gotta put yourself in the buyer's shoes. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope that you learned a little bit more about affiliate marketing and how you can actually do it without showing your face. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I come up with videos every Thursday and every Saturday. And if you would like to learn more about affiliate marketing, make sure you check out the description box below for more resources and tools.